we discover something about Eastern Western philosophy. There's a code came with the script that is from a neuroscientist, Emil Seth, and the code is, we are all hallucinating all the time, but when we agree with the hallucination, we call it reality. And I said, wow, it's something like our Buddhist thinking. The life is just an illusion. And I said, is there any underlay of this kind of philosophical stuff inside the story? But she didn't answer me.
The lady, the boy, and the professor, and the ginkgo tree, all of them, they are outsiders. They are lonely souls, and because of not being part of a system and not wanting to fit in, they are also free to explore and free to discover. And this is, and not so much the conflicts and the very first steps of the feminist movements, which were important. This was rather to show four versions of this sort of the difficulty, but also the freedom of being outside of the system.
即係山咧好多樹有好多植物，咁突然之間有一樣我實係覺得好奇怪。我嗰個感覺係好似佢哋喺度有啲，佢哋係一啲生命嚟嘅，即係你會 aware 到佢哋。以前我唔會喎，我覺得佢哋唔係真係喺度睇緊我咧。咁因為你讀過之後，你知道佢哋可以透過佢哋啲根啊同埋啲 fungus 去傳達信息，去 share information， 同埋佢哋識對外邊嘅世界咧作出反應嘅。我之前對成個世界個睇法都唔同咗。即係以前我一直相信 hierarchy， 我一直相信我哋人不嬲都係好自大嘅啦，覺得我哋喺 tree of life 裏面，我哋係 top of the tree， 跟住蠢啲嘅一路咁排落去，排到最底係樹啊嘛。咁因為呢個係我會覺得唔係喎，其實樹同我哋一樣喎。咁如果當你有對植物有咁嘅尊重嘅時候，咁其他動物咧，咁係咪其實我哋人應該做任何決定嗰陣時，我哋都應該有 aware 同埋考慮埋我哋身邊其他同我哋一齊share 呢個地球嘅生物咧？